Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best strawberry decor is probably one of the most charming and delightful ways to infuse your personal sanctuary with a touch of playful sweetness and vibrant color, transforming your bedroom into a cozy haven that reflects your unique personality and love for all things fruity and fun, making it a truly inviting space to relax and unwind after a long day. Number 5. BAN.DO Strawberry Vase. Say hello to the original BAN.DO Strawberry Vase. This novelty treasure adds a juicy pop of color to your space with its cute and functional design. This vase is perfect for holding flowers and trinkets. Use it as a charming centerpiece in your kitchen or a stylish accent in your bathroom. Measuring 6 inches tall with a wide opening, it offers plenty of room for flowers, office supplies, or paint brushes. Display anything you desire in a fun, fruity way. Who knew a giant strawberry could be so versatile? Use it to hold kitchen utensils, art supplies, or as a catch-all for any other small items. Style this fruity find in your kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or office. It's sure to add a vibrant pop of color to any coffee table or bookshelf. Your new home decor treasure will have a safe journey. It is securely packaged in a printed box with styrofoam for protection. What we like? This decorative ceramic vase offers a unique, textured design with a vibrant strawberry shape. It's perfect for holding flowers, office supplies, or trinkets. If you're looking for a statement piece that adds a pop of fruity color to your kitchen, bathroom, or desk, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? Very nice quality and super cute. My baby knocks it around all the time and it really should have broken by now. Very sturdy. Very cute. It arrived very well packaged in a cute box with styrofoam filler. It's about 6 inch tall and 6 wide. Number 4. Kawaii Strawberry Comforter Cover Set. Transform your room into a sweet escape with our adorable strawberry comforter cover set. It's the perfect way to add a touch of cute to your personal space. Experience vibrant colors and clear patterns thanks to our advanced 3D printing technology. Easily update your bedroom's theme whenever you desire. Crafted from 100% soft polyester microfiber, this bedding is incredibly comfortable, breathable, and gentle on your skin. Enjoy a smooth, lightweight feel all year round. Ideal for bedrooms, guest rooms, dorms, or even your next adventure. It's lightweight and warm, making it perfect for home or travel. Maintaining this bedding is a breeze. It's machine washable and easy to care for, ensuring it stays fresh and clean with minimal effort. This set includes one duvet cover measuring 68 by 90 inches and one pillowcase measuring 20 by 30 inches. It's designed for a twin-sized bed. What we like? This bedding set features a cute strawberry design with vibrant colors thanks to its 3D printing technology. Made from soft, breathable microfiber, it's perfect for all seasons and easy to care for. If you love kawaii aesthetics and want to easily update your bedroom decor with a cozy and stylish duvet cover, this set is ideal for you. What people say? It comes with 2 matching pillow covers. The detail in the flowers is exactly what I wanted. They are so beautiful. It is very silky, no loose threads at all, and does feel good quality. The other side is a soft cottony material. The zipper is exactly like the picture. It looks amazing. It's very soft, not friendly, and definitely not cheap poly. Getting it really feels good to touch. Excellent. Would definitely buy again. Guys, my full duvet perfect has ties and the zipper still works, so I'm happy. Number 3. Costzon Kids Double Seat Children's Sofa. This charming pink sofa features 2 delightful strawberry pillows, designed to capture your child's attention and spark their imagination. They'll love spending happy times with these soft, comfortable companions. Constructed with a solid wood frame and high-quality sponges, this sofa offers excellent support and can hold up to 132 pounds. The sponge-filled design ensures a comfortable seating experience for your little ones. Crafted from premium, TB117 certified materials, its super soft coral fleece surface is cozy and breathable. It provides a safe and comfortable space for your child to relax, watch TV, or read. With its double seats and ample space, this sofa is perfect for your child to nap, rest, or invite friends over. It's designed to accommodate them even as they grow. The arc angle design supports their back and waist, while the non-slipped solid wood feet ensure stability and safety. It's the perfect addition to any room, bringing joy and comfort. This sofa makes a wonderful gift, providing a happy and comfortable space for your children. It's a great addition to their bedroom, living room, or playroom. What we like. This children's sofa offers a lovely pink appearance with 2 adorable strawberry pillows, designed to spark imagination. It features a strong, comfortable structure with a soft coral fleece surface, certified for safety. If you're looking for a durable, comfortable, and safe seating option for your little ones to read, play, or rest, especially for girls who love cute designs, this double-seat sofa is a perfect gift. What people say. The size is perfect for my plushies and makes a perfect decoration for any cute kawaii bedroom. Very sturdy and well made. The design is super cute and I love the little strawberry pillows. Sturdy enough that she's 30 pounds and can stand on the arm without hurting it. This couch is absolutely adorable. I got it for my 2-year-old daughter, but a 4-year-old can fit on it easily. It's sturdy but not super heavy. No assembly aside from twisting the feet on the bottom. Pillows can be washed. Number 2. Strawberry party decorations. Get ready to add a burst of fruity fun to your next party. These decorations are perfect for any summer or fruit-themed celebration. Crafted from high-quality rice paper and bamboo, these charming strawberry lanterns bring a unique touch to your decor. They're ideal for birthdays, baby showers, and more. Whether it's a hungry caterpillar party or a sweet strawberry-themed gathering, these lanterns are a versatile choice. Use them indoors or outdoors to create a delightful atmosphere. These vibrant lanterns are not only lovely but also reusable. After the festivities, they fold flat for easy storage, ready for your next event. We guarantee great quality and craftsmanship. These decorations are well made to ensure they look fantastic for your special occasion. You'll receive 1 large strawberry lantern, measuring 11.8 by 12, and 2 medium lanterns, each 8.3 by 8. What we like. These strawberry-shaped paper lanterns come in a large and 2 medium sizes, perfect for adding a festive touch to fruit-themed celebrations. Made from quality rice paper and bamboo, they are ideal for parties, baby showers, or birthdays. If you're planning a strawberry or summer fruit-themed event and need charming, reusable decorations to hang indoors or outdoors, these lanterns will bring a delightful ambience. What people say. The Strawberry Decor is a charming addition to any bedroom, featuring a vibrant red color and realistic detailing that mimics fresh strawberries. Each strawberry piece is crafted from high-quality, durable material, ensuring it can withstand daily wear and tear. The set includes various sizes and shapes of strawberries, allowing for versatile arrangement and a personalized touch to your room's aesthetic. Number 1. Red Strawberry DIY Wall Decor Stickers BK011. Add a touch of sweetness to your child's room with these charming strawberry wall stickers. They're perfect for creating a fun and vibrant atmosphere. Unleash your creativity with this DIY design. Each individual strawberry decal can be placed exactly where you want it, making decorating a joyful experience. Crafted from high-quality, die-cut vinyl, these stickers are built to last. They are durable, waterproof, and won't damage your walls when removed. These self-adhesive, eco-friendly stickers are incredibly easy to apply. They'll make your walls look beautifully painted, transforming any space effortlessly. Apply them to any smooth surface, from walls and windows to furniture and cars. They are ideal for decorating nurseries, bedrooms, offices, and even stores. Give your baby or kid's nursery a delightful makeover. These stickers are perfect for interior walls, windows, bringing life and color to your home. What we like. These strawberry wall decals offer a fun DIY design, with 40 individual stickers per pack that you can place anywhere. Made from high-quality, waterproof, and removable vinyl, they won't damage your walls. If you want an easy and affordable way to add a playful strawberry theme to a baby's nursery, kid's room, or even a dorm, these peel and stick decals are a great choice for a quick room refresh. What people say. So easy to use and great addition to backdrop for my daughter's very first birthday. Used for our daughter's birthday backdrop. They worked great and were easy enough to remove once finished. Just so cute, and use these for kitchen farm theme, easy to put up and the color is nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.